Hi guys, welcome back to Cooper's Keys. It's been a while since I made a video, and first of all, the feedback and the amount of activity that's been happening on my channel has been pretty amazing to me. We have nearly 200 subscribers now, and I haven't uploaded in about a month because the reason I haven't uploaded is because I've been very busy and stuck doing other things, but I'm back and I really want to start making more consistent videos. So today's setup isn't my normal setup if you're just watching my channel for the first time. Sorry for the quality of the camera and sorry for how small the window looks. I normally have a full setup. I normally have a more full setup, but because of where I am right now, I can't give you guys a full setup. But let me just put the light on here real quick. But I still want to put out this video because I thought to myself, let me put out more consistent videos, and especially when it comes to the music, guys, you guys want the licks, and as long as I show you the MIDI, I'm sure you can work it out yourself, so it's not too much of a big bother about the hands, but normally I will have the hands there. So this is not a full breakdown of the song Above All by Yohan Kim. This is just going to be a breakdown of the run that he does that I saw everybody was going crazy over, including myself, and I thought, okay, let me work it out, let me break it down and see if I can explain it to you guys so you can play it. So maybe some of you have already been working out this song, playing this song, or you just want to get that run right. Okay, so let's see what we can do. So let's run that back. You have an F, B minor, A, then a G sharp over an E chord, and then a D over an F sharp, E chord, and then you can think of it as this is a standard gospel movement where you either go chromatically up into the chord using semitones or chromatically down. That thing, okay? I'm obviously using fuller chords. So you have a D, just a standard D chord. Over the C sharp here. The C sharp is a C sharp 9. C sharp 13. Right? C sharp 13, high chord extension, that's a 7, and then that's a sus4. Pretty much all your fingers are involved with this chord here. That's the end of it, okay? So now the exact notes that he uses. So you run down to the F minor. And this is what I was saying, it's more of a F sharp as well, because you go into the F sharp here. B minor, run. Now the A. Okay, you can play the A or you can play a D chord over it. Okay, then there's a grace note. I slide from the D to the E and walk down. So B and D, C sharp and A. Yeah, the E chord over the G sharp. It's a D sus2 chord here over the F sharp, or the F sharp in the left hand. Again, you could just play single notes if you wanted to. It wouldn't really be too much of a big deal. To an E chord, D, C sharp 13. The song carries on if you know the rest of the song. So guys, it was just a quick video. Again, I intend on doing a full breakdown of the entire song whenever I get the chance to, but whenever I get small amounts of time, I'll be throwing out these little videos and giving you guys a few gems here and there, just so I can keep the content going and consistent. But when I get enough time, then I'll do full breakdowns, because they do require a bit more time in terms of setting it up properly and editing it out, make sure everything is clear for you guys. The last thing I want to do is confuse you further. Okay, if that helped, comment below. If you got questions, comment below. Also check out Yohan Kim's channel. I'll link the full song down below.